Welcome back to Healthy Living Tips, where we bring you amazing content for your health, happiness, and overall well-being. Today, we're diving into something super important for parents: the top 10 healthy foods every child should eat daily. Whether you're raising a picky eater or just want to give your little ones the best start in life, this list is packed with nutrition, flavor, and fun. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's make healthy eating a joy for your kids. Let's start with whole grains. Think brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats. These are packed with fiber and energy to keep kids active throughout the day. Picture this: it's a school morning, and instead of sugary cereal, you whip up a quick bowl of oatmeal topped with bananas and a drizzle of honey. Not only will your child love it, but they'll also stay fuller longer, avoiding that mid-morning energy crash. Number 2. Fresh fruits. Fruits are nature's candy, and they come with a bonus: loads of vitamins. For example, oranges are full of vitamin C, which boosts immunity. Here's a fun scenario. Turn fruit time into an adventure by making a rainbow fruit salad with strawberries, mangoes, grapes, and blueberries. Ask your kids to pick their favorite color to eat first. It's fun and healthy. Number 3. Vegetables. Vegetables can be tricky with kids, right? But here's a tip: get creative. Carrots, broccoli, and spinach are superfoods for your child's development. Imagine turning veggies into fun shapes or sneaking spinach into a smoothie they can sip with a straw. They'll never know they're drinking their greens. Number 4. Lean proteins. Kids need protein for growth, and lean options like chicken, eggs, beans, and fish are perfect. For a quick dinner, picture this: grilled chicken strips with a side of roasted sweet potatoes. Add a yummy yogurt dip, and you've got a meal that's healthy and finger-licking good. Number 5. Dairy products. Dairy is essential for strong bones and teeth. Think milk, cheese, and yogurt. Here's an idea: make a fruit parfait with layers of yogurt, granola, and fresh berries. It's like dessert, but it's packed with calcium and probiotics for a healthy tummy. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. These little powerhouses are full of healthy fats and nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds make a perfect snack. Imagine your kids munching on a trail mix you made together. It's fun, crunchy, and way better than chips. Number 7. Fish. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish like salmon are fantastic for brain development. How about salmon fish fingers? They are crispy, delicious, and packed with brain-boosting goodness. Serve them with a side of veggie sticks for balance. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are a breakfast superstar. They are versatile, quick to prepare, and full of protein. Picture this: a Saturday morning with your kids helping you make scrambled eggs or an omelette with their favorite veggies. It's not just a meal, it's a bonding moment. Number 9. Beans and lentils. These are great sources of protein and fiber, especially for kids who don't love meat. A simple bowl of lentil soup or bean tacos can be a hit. Add a sprinkle of cheese, and watch them gobble it up. Number 10. Water. Okay, not a food, but it's vital. Hydration helps kids stay alert and active. Create a fun water challenge. Give your child a water bottle and set milestones throughout the day. Reward them with a sticker or a high five when they meet their goal. Finally, and there you have it: 10 healthy foods to fuel your kids' growth, energy, and happiness. Remember, it's not just about what they eat, it's how you make it fun and engaging for them. Healthy habits start early, and as parents, we're their first teachers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might need some inspiration. Also, comment below: what's your child's favorite healthy food? Let's swap ideas. And of course, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more amazing content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep thriving. Bye for now.